Hey there guys, I'm doing another video for you to show you what I got going, and I got my 200s all put back together now. Still a few things I need to do, like I need to order a new clutch pack. I did adjust the foot shifter, that works good. You can see there's like very little play in it. And let's see, got my racing carb in there, as you can see. A lot of you that know 200Ss will know that this is a little funky to have in here. One of those style. Bet you've never seen one of those before, huh? And my piston rings are doing good. There's no scarring in the cylinder, so I'm just going to keep that on there. I was looking on eBay to do have Winco pistons. I probably come about that much off the top to make it have higher compression. It's like a 40 over kit. That'd be pretty neat. But yeah, it's coming along great. Really nice little machine. It's got a few problems though, besides the clutch. Like the front forks. The guy that stole it kind of jacked those up. Same with the handlebars. I don't know if you can tell, but I can't really, but they're bent. Yeah, I can't tell. Then there's a foot peg that's kind of my fault. I bent the one side up. As you can see, but all around it still runs good. You know, I haven't started it up. See, this thing is like ice cold. I'll just leave my hand there for a minute. Yeah, no burning, nothing like that. Exhaust, ice cold. No sort of trickery there. You know, you see people kind of touch it and yep, ice cold. No, this is completely ice cold. Put my decompression up. Alright. Put my racing carb to choke. Oh, that's. That was from ice cold, now it's starting to get warm. Alright, that's all. I hope you liked the little ATC update. Thing works amazing. It's got 250R rims in the back, kind of jury rigged on there, but hey, it works.